Welcome on stitchingworld.com. In this video we'll talk about Brother Sewing Machine, and this is one of the most asked and requested video because Brother Sewing Machines are feature-rich sewing machines. They have too many inbuilt features and designs as compared to Usha or Singer or other sewing machines, and that also at much cheaper rate. But all the machines are not made for everyone, and that's why the confusion comes, because you have so many machines in the market but you don't know which one to choose and which one to leave. And here, while Usha and Singer, they have already built their stronghold in Indian market, it becomes all the more difficult to choose a Brother sewing machine that is comparatively new in the Indian market. So for beginners and home use as well as for sewing pros like professionals or design lovers, we have categorized some sewing machines. These are basically 6 Brother sewing machines which are getting very popular in India. We'll start with the least model and then graduate to the bigger models. The first machine we have is JA1400. This is an automatic sewing machine with top loading bobbin case, and it is a classic beautiful design with 14 inbuilt stitches that makes your embroidery stitching very easy. The machine is lightweight portable machine you can keep in your cupboard, and the stitching speed is 750 SPM. The second machine is JA20 that comes with 2 inbuilt stitches. That means this machine JA20 is just an extension of your simple stitch sewing machine. So this is the least machine you can have. Rather than having a manual machine, this is the machine you can have if you want to have zigzag machine. The third machine is Brother GS1700. As the name suggests, the machine has 17 inbuilt stitches. An extension table would be given, so you have more space to spread your fabric and stitch. And the designs are also like you have 17 designs with a good speed of 800 stitch per minute. And the price is also just around 11,800 something. Then we have Brother GS2700. The best thing about Brother machines are that the name of the machine, like 2700, it in itself shows that the machine would be having 27 inbuilt stitches. Machine is user friendly, beautiful, very even a beginner can stitch. For home use you can have the machine, and the price is also within your budget. Now, one of the most popular machine in this segment from Brother is GS3700. Designs are inbuilt designs you get is 3700, and machine would be same, the top loading one with a free arm automatic zigzag machine, and SPM would be 800. That is good for home use, and the price is the biggest catch, that is within 12,000 you get this machine. Next one, which is a sewing lover's a dream, that is Brother FS101. This is computerized machine with a huge number, like hundreds of designs, armhole stitches, and you get so many from this machine. But I recommend that you go for computerized machine only if you have other machines with you. Otherwise, for your first machine, it's not a good idea to go for a computerized machine. Even the price is within your budget. So the next question that you guys ask me is, which is the best sewing machine, Usha Janome, Singer or Brother? So if we compare all these three big wigs in sewing machine industry, we find that Usha Janome, Usha is an Indian company, Janome is Japanese company, but Usha Janome has strong foothold in Indian market. Singer is comparatively like older one than Usha Janome, and Brother is a new entrant in Indian market. That is one of the reason why Brother machines are comparatively cheaper also, and then you can get hold of it. One of the lower point about choosing a Brother machine is that you get the price good, but you may not get demo and servicing and the spare parts, so that you have to look for if you are choosing a Brother sewing machine. To know more about these machines, you may visit stitchingworld.com, and there you can find the detailed review comparison about all these machines, why, what are the benefits of each machine, which machine would be suitable to your needs, your requirements, what are the pros, cons and the features, weight of the machine, size of the machine, and what is the SPM. Like all these things, whatever is required to know about a sewing machine. And besides, what are the major things you must keep in consideration while choosing a sewing machine for your use. To choose the best sewing machine as per your needs, specification, requirement, budget, and your lifestyle, you may join our live webinar on 28th October from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m.